Hello viewers! This is part 2 of my THINKWARE U1000 review video. If you saw my previous video on the unboxing and install of this dashcam, then you will have a good understanding of the features and setup on this device. Where I left off in the last video is I finished installing this dashcam in my vehicle. In this video I will go over some additional settings. We'll take a look at the THINKWARE PC Viewer software, and I'll show you the daytime and nighttime video recording. I'll also go over the different types of parking mode recording. So let's get started. In the last video, I finished installing the THINKWARE U1000 dashcam in this 2019 Honda Odyssey. With the dashcam hardwired to the fuse box for ignition 12 volt and constant 12 volt, when I turn on the ignition, the dashcam will turn on and begin recording.
Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with THINKWARE.
If you only set up the Wi-Fi connection between the dashcam and the app, the dashcam will prompt you to connect using Wi-Fi each time it starts up. And after a while, it does get a bit annoying. To stop this Wi-Fi connection voice prompt, you'll need to do a one-time setup of the hotspot connection on the dashcam. Once that's set up, then it will not prompt you for Wi-Fi connection next time it starts up. So here I have the app open, and the hotspot is turned off on my phone. Click on this gray bar right here, and then select connect with another device. Next, select the U1000 device. At the bottom here, do you wish to connect to via hotspot? Select connect. If there's the first connection you're making with a hotspot, select yes. Next, connect with a Wi-Fi.
Connected to a smartphone.
Next, add a mobile hotspot to the dashcam. Put in the SSID of your hotspot. Enter the password of your hotspot.
Disconnected from a smartphone. The device will find a Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn on your personal hotspot.
Turn on the hotspot. Hotspot's on. Go back.
Connected to the internet. Connected to a smartphone.
Now the app is connected to the dashcam. With the hotspot configured, start the car.
During parking mode, motion detection recording 1 occurred. Continuous recording will now start. GPS connected.
So as you heard, it no longer prompts you for Wi-Fi connection. To view the recorded video files, there are two ways you can do this. One is using the THINKWARE app, and the second method is to take the memory card out of the dashcam and using the card reader that came with this dashcam, plug it into your computer. Let me first show you how to use the app to look at the recorded video files. Here I have the THINKWARE app connected to the U1000 dashcam. Select File List. Here are all the different categories for the recorded files: continuous, continuous incident, motion detection, parking incident, and manual recording. Continuous are the recording while you're driving. Here list all the files. You can also select front camera, rear camera. With each file name, it has a date and timestamp. At the end of the file name, you have the R for rear, F for front. Here you can scroll down to different files. Now with the loop recording on this dashcam, it records 1-minute video clips. So each of these files are 1 minute long. Select the file to play it. Let's have a look at a rear video. Now if you want to download one of these files to your phone, there's a menu icon on the right side of the file name. Select download. Now this file is being downloaded to your phone. Next I'll show you the actual daytime and nighttime video recording so you can see how good the recording is on this dashcam. Let me show you the 3 different parking modes this dashcam has. Go into dashcam settings, go to record settings. Right now the parking mode is set to motion detection. If you open up the menu, you see you can disable it. You can set it for motion detection, time lapse, and energy saving. With the motion detection, if there are any moving objects in front of the vehicle, the dashcam will record a 20-second video, and that includes 10 seconds before the incident and 10 seconds after the incident. And here I'll show you an example of the motion detection recording. If you set the motion detection to time-lapse recording, once the dashcam is in parking mode, it will continually record a 2 frame per second video. And let me show you an example of this recording. The third type of parking mode you have is energy saving. If you set it to this mode, the dashcam will remain in standby mode until an impact is detected. Since it's not doing motion detection or time-lapse recording, this will extend the time the dashcam can remain in parking mode. Here you can set the impact sensitivity and also the motion detection sensitivity. Now I want to take a minute to talk about the battery protection. This is a very important feature if you have the dashcam hardwired to your fuse box. With this type of wiring, when the dashcam goes into parking mode, you're drawing current from the car battery, and over time it will slowly drain the battery. With the battery protection, you can set the cutoff voltage when the dashcam will power off automatically, and this prevents draining the car battery to a point where you can't start it. So right now I have it set to 12.1 volt. For a car battery, 12.1 volt is actually about 50% charge, so you definitely don't want to go below that. Here's a look at a chart that shows you the state of charge of a car battery. As you can see, when it gets to 11.9 volt, it only has 40% charge, and you may not be able to start the vehicle. Besides using the app to view the recorded files, you can also remove the memory card from the dashcam and place it into the microSD memory card reader that came with the dashcam and connect it to your computer. Now before you pull the memory card out, you should power this down by pressing and holding the power button. Now we can slide the dashcam off the mounts and remove the memory card. For the PC Viewer software, you can download it from ThinkWare's website. Their address is us.thinkware.com. On the website, go to Support, select Downloads, select U Series, U1000, select PC Mac Viewer. Here you can download the Mac Viewer software or Windows PC Viewer. After the download, install it. Here I have the ThinkWare PC Viewer software open. Now I've gone ahead and taken the memory card out of the dashcam and put it into a card reader and plugged it into my computer. And on the right side, you see the playlist. This will show you all the recorded videos. These videos are categorized under continuous, and incident. Also parking, you have motion and incident recording. Let's go back to continuous. Now if you look at the file name, they're date and time stamped, so you know when the files were recorded. I'll select one of the recorded video and play it.
During parking mode. Motion detection recording. 4. Occurred. Continuous recording will now start. GPS connected.
With this software, it'll play the video and you can hear the audio. At the bottom left-hand corner, it'll show you the speed you're traveling at. Next to it is a G-sensor measurement. Now at the top right-hand corner, you also have the Google map and it'll show you the direction of travel. Now right now it's showing you kilometers per hour. If you want to change the unit of measure, go to the top left-hand corner, Settings, Speed Unit. You can change it to miles per hour. I should also mention these recorded files are MPEG-4 format, So you don't have to use a PC viewer to watch a video. You can also play the recorded file using VLC or Windows Media Player. I hope you enjoy watching this part 2 of the THINKWARE U1000 Dashcam review. As you can see, this Dashcam offers a lot of great features and is an excellent performer. The front and rear camera video quality is excellent for both daytime and nighttime recording. As I mentioned in the first video, the U1000 is sold as a front camera dashcam only, or you can get a 2-channel front and rear camera dashcam. If you get the 2-channel one like the one I have here, it comes with a circular polarizer filter which helps reduce glare in the video, and you also get 2 power wires. One is a standard cigarette lighter plug for easy install. The other one is a hardwire kit you can hardwire into your fuse box. And with that, you can operate this dashcam in parking mode, which works very well. Now, one thing I do recommend is get a higher capacity memory card. If you are to record in 4K resolution, it does use up a lot more memory, so a bigger memory card will give you a longer recording time. Now, if you're interested in getting this THINKWARE U1000 dashcam, you can get it at blackboxmycar.com. And if you enter the coupon code DIAL2FAST, you get 5% off with any purchase over $250 US or $300 Canadian. And I'll include those links below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.